guys, my name is Malia. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I post every Saturday at 12 p.m. and in today's video is going to be a day in my life. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I really don't have anything really planned, but right now I did go ahead and just do my skincare and stuff like that. I am gonna get my bag ready. I think the bag that I'm gonna take is gonna just be this one that I got from DD's. I'm just gonna put our stuff in here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna bring my Altoid. I'm gonna get my lip combo. Obviously this is the Ram Booty. Ooh. The Ram Booty. This is the Ram Beauty lipstick in Drive-In Movie. I think that's the shade, I'm not sure. We have our e.l.f. chapstick, lip balm. This is in Wild Cherry. Then I have my lip pencil from Morphe. This is in the shade Nightcap. Love this so much. And then lastly, I have my diamond gloss. I also have my portable charger, a water bottle for hydration. And now let's do my hair. I need to refill this. Go ahead and get in the car. Okay guys, so I'm here. I am at the place. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on because I really don't have any on for real. I'm going with the brand. I don't think I mentioned that, but I'm going like with the new brand. We're gonna just see the vibes of the place and everything, and I'm very excited to talk with her. So let's go. Hey guys, so I am back at home. I did have a little brunch kind of situation and it was very fun. I love that cafe. I did go ahead and set up an appointment though to get my eyebrows done. I honestly have been not doing my eyebrows for like a while because I wanted them to grow out, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get them waxed. Kind of nervous. I've never been to this person before, so we're gonna see how it goes. It's very spontaneous, guys, by the way. Let's go ahead and go because my appointment is at 1:15 and it's like 1:05 right now. Let's go. So as you guys see, I got my brows done. I just did my eyebrows like really quickly because I had the stuff in my bag already. They're so cute. I think I'm just gonna keep my brows like this. You see these brows, y'all? They're so cute. They did say that they have like facials and stuff like that, so I think maybe next month, because she said she's gonna be having like a sale next month, like all facials. So I'm gonna definitely get a facial next month, like an extraction basically. I'm gonna go into Walmart right now. I just need to get some like fruit, and then I need to get some hot sauce too, and then whatever else kind of like I find in there to eat, I'm just gonna get it. Let's go. Hey guys, so I just finished going grocery shopping. I was so overstimulating, guys. I was going to record kind of like when I was like scanning my stuff and stuff like that, but y'all, too much going on in there. They're doing a lot of renovations and stuff in Walmart, and so they're like changing everything and moving everything around. There's a lot of stuff that's like blocked off. Can't walk in certain spaces. There's a lot of people in there, but I'm glad that I'm back in my car. I'm honestly getting tired of my wallpaper. I need to honestly change it because it's boring. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and go home. I think I'm just gonna relax for a second. Actually, I feel like I just need to get everything done and then I can relax. Let's go ahead and go home. Guys, so it is a couple hours later. I actually did get a Amazon package today, so I just want to do a little bit of a haul with you guys. It is kind of just like self-care stuff, but like why not give you guys a haul still. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys is like facial care and stuff like that. I actually got these dermaplaning, oh my gosh, I actually got a dermaplaning razor. I feel like it's always such a hassle to find one. And not only do we have the razor itself, but we also have multiple different razors that come with it as well. And I love this little pouch that it comes in. It's like silicone. I love that. This is so cute. I do love like shaving my face, and I feel like this is just gonna get such a close shave, and it's gonna get like a really good shave more than any other shave that I've experienced before. This is so cute, and it's pink. I'm actually gonna shave my face tonight. I feel like I need to dermaplane like every week or two. I also want to see how good a shave this gets me. 12 razors that these come with. The next facial item that I did go ahead and get, guys, is just my normal niacinamide serum. I literally always get this from Good Molecules. I've been using their products for like a year, and in particular this niacinamide serum. A year of using this. Got some Billy razor. It's actually a very bougie razor brand. I don't know why I bought this actually. Actually I do need a new razor. The razor is literally molding in there. This is so cute. I'm actually very excited to use this. And the next thing that I got, guys, this is the last thing that I got. I just got some African net sponges. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I have actually been using African net sponges, but I just got it in like a beige color because, you know, the pink and stuff is cute, but honestly I think right now my color is trying to be like white, tan, beige, brown, like fall type of colors, even though it's not even fall. Let's go ahead and open it. Wow, they have like a little baggie that you can put them in. I'm definitely gonna put the other one in this little bag. I think I'm gonna use this one. Oh wow. Oh wow. Like I can really be like, you know, like I don't know though. This doesn't feel as like exfoliating as the one that I have in there. We'll see. This is like a bungee. I know I said I was gonna do dermaplaning tonight. Honestly, I am very tired and I want to go to sleep. I'm most likely just gonna do the dermaplaning tomorrow. But if you guys made it to the end of this video, comment this emoji so I know that you're a real one. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm always open to new subscribers. You guys have a great rest of your day and thank you for watching this video. Bye guys!